Jai Swaminarayan, welcome to Gokuldham e-learning class. Now, today we are learn about here three portion or 3 points. So now our first point is that pH. Second one is that how can we measure pH, and third one is that, and last of the chapter or last of the lesson is that importance of pH in our everyday life. Okay, so now first of all we are going to see here pH. Okay, so now what is the full form of pH? Most IMP question, most IMP short question for the exam, board exam also. Okay, so now what is the full form of pH? So now the full form of pH is that power of hydrogen. You can also saying that potential of hydrogen, potential of hydrogen. Okay, so now we are solve here 1 mark question. What is full form of pH? So now the full form of pH is that power of hydrogen or potential of hydrogen. Okay, now we are going to our second portion. How can we measure pH? Okay, so now we are measure pH with the help of pH paper, with the help of pH paper. Then universal indicator, then last and final thing is that pH scale. Okay, so now this is the diagram of pH scale. Okay, and in general we can also use to know acid or base. So we are also use here litmus paper. Now everyone keep it in your mind, we are only use this paper to find acid or base. Okay, now our question is how can we measure pH? So now with the help of, we can measure with the help of pH paper, universal indicator, pH scale or pH meter. Okay, so now we are find pH with the help of this one. So now we are going to see here pH scale. So on pH scale we are observe that there are 3 numbers. So now first one is 0, 7 and 14. Okay, so now 0 to 7, when you are measure in pH scale and you have get the result like into or between 0 to 7, so now 0 to 7 or 0 to 6.9, so solution is known as acidic solution. That means less than 7 pH is known as acidic solution. Okay, then everyone look at here, less than 7 is known as acidic solution, and more than 7. Okay, less than 7 and then more than 7. So when we have get reading like more than 7 pH, so which is known as basic solution. Okay, and then suppose we have get reading is look like 7, exact 7, so now this one is known as neutral solution. Okay, so now we are going to one more time with our pH scale. So now suppose we have get a result or reading like less than 7, so now this solution is known as acidic solution. More than 7, so we are knowing that basic solution, and exact 7, so we are knowing that neutral solution. Okay, now we are going to see our last portion or topic is that importance of pH in our everyday life. That means day to day life. Okay, so now there are main 5 importance of in our day to day life which we are used pH in our everyday life. So now there are 5 main points in this portion. So now first portion is that importance of pH in existence of living things or organisms. Okay, so now existence of living things, that means animal and plants. Okay, now second portion is that importance of pH in digestion of food. Third portion is that importance of pH in soil. Fourth one is that importance of pH in stopping decay of teeth. And last and final portion is that in the remedy of effect of honey bee. Okay, so now we are going to see here first portion, importance of pH in existence of living thing, that means animal और plant. That means animal और plant जो है वो कितने pH में survive कर सकते हैं. So now generally our human body comfortable with the pH of 7 to 7.8. Okay, so now human body is comfortable in 7 to 7.8 pH. Okay, इससे लेस होगा और इससे ज्यादा होगा. So suppose we are think about the less pH than 7 or 7.8. So only imagine in your mind is that when pH is less than 5.6. So now this pH is known as, according to pH scale, we are saying that acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Suppose अभी मानसून की सीजन है और उसमें जो रेन वाटर है उसका पीएच 5.6 होगा. दैट मीन्स जो रेन और जो रेन वाटर है उसे हम यहाँ पे कहेंगे एसिड रेन. ओके, सो नाउ व्हेन वी आर ऑब्जर्व पीएच less than 5.6 in rain water, so now this rain water is known as acid rain water. Okay, so now or acid rain. Okay, so in this situation रेन वाटर जो है वो लास्ट में हमें पता है रिवर में ही जाएगा और रिवर में लॉट्स ऑफ aquatic animals are survive. So 5.6 pH वाला जो वाटर है वो रिवर में जाएगा और रिवर में रहने वाले जो एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स है वो उसके कांटेक्ट में आने से वहां पे जो एक्वाटिक इकोसिस्टम जो है वो डैमेज हो सकती है. सो नाउ दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ पीएच इन एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स, एनिमल और प्लांट्स. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड पोर्शन इज दैट इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड. ओके, सो हम जो फूड लेते हैं उसे डाइजेस्ट भी करना होता है और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इज दैट स्टमक. ओके, सो स्टमक जो है हमने जो भी फूड पार्टिकल लिया है उसे डाइजेस्ट करने में हमें हेल्प करता है. ओके, सो नाउ स्टमक प्रोड्यूस most important acid is that hydrochloric acid. Everyone keep it in your mind. Hydrochloric is also secretes in our stomach. Okay, so now the pH of hydrochloric acid is approximately 1 pH to 3 pH. That means between 1 to 3 pH. Okay, और ये जो pH है उसमें पेप्सिन एंजाइम जो है वो एक्टिव होगा और पेप्सिन जो है वो हमारे फूड पार्टिकल में प्रोटीन जो है उसे डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करेगा. ओके, अगर एसिड की मात्रा जो है वो ज़्यादा हो जाती है और मोर देन 1.3 और 1 to 3, so at that time we have to need to use their antacid. So now which kind of antacid we are used in our day-to-day life? So now calcium carbonate, MgOH twice. Everyone keep it in your mind. This one is that exam में short question में पूछे जाने वाला question है ये. What is the chemical formula of milk of magnesia? So now MgOH twice. So MgOH twice is known as milk of magnesia. magnesia. Okay, so now which is known as milk of magnesia, and last and final one is baking soda, which is known as NaHCO3. Okay, so एंटासिड के फॉर्म में हम यहाँ पे कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया और बेकिंग सोडा जो है वो दैट मीन्स सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट जो है वो हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, देन थर्ड importance of pH is that importance in soil. Okay, so now when we are measure the pH of the soil and we have get result like 6.5, so now and result like 7.3. Okay, so now in short we are saying that the pH of soil is that 6.5, pH to 7.3. Okay, now when we are observe in this pH less than 6.5, so this soil is known as acidic soil. Okay, and suppose we want to neutralize this soil, so we should need to add their CaO, that means lime. We are add and then make our soil neutralize. Okay, and then suppose we have get reading like 7.3 pH, so this soil is known as alkaline soil, and if you want to make it neutralize, so you can use that CaSO4 into 2H2O, which is known as gypsum. This is also most IMP short question for the board examination. Okay, so now which things we are used to neutralize in alkaline soil? So now our answer is gypsum. And which thing we are used to neutralize acidic soil? So now our answer is that CaO, which means lime. Okay, so now this is the importance of pH in our soil. Okay, now next portion is that in stopping decay. Okay, so now in stopping decay ऑफ टीथ, सो हमारा जो माउथ है उसमें 5.5 जितनी pH रहती है. अगर इससे ज्यादा और इससे कम होगी तो हमारे टीथ जो है वो सड़ेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ एवरीवन कीप इट इन योर माइंड, आवर टीथ इज कंप्लीटली मेड अप ऑफ Ca3PO4 ट्वाइस, दैट मीन्स कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट. सो ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है, ये भी पोर्शन जो है वो बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछे जाने वाला क्वेश्चन है. सो नाउ हाउ और टीथ इज मेड अप ऑफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट. ओके, सो टीथ इज मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट. ये जो पीएच है डिक्रीज होगी, सो टीथ कैन मेक डिके. ओके, सो इतनी जो पीएच है उसे हमें मेंटेन करनी है इन अवर माउथ. ओके, नाउ लास्ट एंड फाइनल पोर्शन इन द रेमेडी. ओके, सो नाउ इन द रेमेडी ऑफ इफेक्ट ऑफ हनी बी. ओके, सो हनी बी जब हमें बाइट करती है, रेड हनी बी, ओके, रेड या फिर कोई भी हनी बी हो, अगर हमें बाइट करती है तो उसके बाइट में जो है फॉर्मिक एसिड रहेगा. फॉर्मिक एसिड दैट मीन्स एसिडिक इन नेचर. ओके, और उसमें जो है वो पॉइजन रहेगा, और वो जो पॉइजन है विच इज नोन एज मैलिटिन, और मैलिटिन की वजह से हमारी बॉडी में ज्यादातर डेस्ट्रॉयड होता हुआ हम देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ मैलिटिन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पॉलीपेप्टाइड. सो नाउ इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पॉलीपेप्टाइड. So now malletin is known as polypeptide, which is made by 26 amino acid. Okay, so now जब भी हनी भी बाइट करती है तो वहाँ पे हम बेकिंग सोडा जो है, दैट मीन्स सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट जो है, उसे हम रेमेडी के फॉर्म में यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ दिस आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ pH in our day-to-day life. Okay, now last and final thing is that pH value of some things which we are used in our day-to-day life. Okay, so now some pH values of some things which we are used in our day-to-day life. So now प्योर वाटर, प्योर वाटर. ओके, प्योर वाटर को हम डिस्टिल वाटर भी कहते हैं. सो नाउ प्योर वाटर. सो नाउ द pH ऑफ प्योर वाटर इज 7.0. Then sea water. Okay, so now pH of sea water is 8.5. Okay, then stomach fluid. So now the pH of stomach fluid is between 1.0 to 3.0. Saliva or saliva. Okay, so saliva or saliva. Now the pH of saliva or saliva. pH of saliva or saliva is between 6.5 to 7.5, and the pH of blood is 7.4. Urine. Now the pH of urine is between 5.5 to 7.5 pH. Milk. Most important thing is that milk. So now everyone look at here. pH of milk is between 6.3 to 6.6. Then lemon juice. Everyone look at here. Lemon juice. Okay. So lemon juice, pH of lemon juice is that 2.2 to 2.4 pH. Then tomato juice. So tomato juice, pH of tomato juice is that 4.0 to 4.4. And last and final one is coffee. So now the pH of coffee is that between 4.5 to 5.5. Okay, so now this is our last portion of our chapter number 2. So now chapter number 2. Now here we are completed. We are chapter number 2. Now the name of the chapter number 2 is that acid, base and salt. Okay, so now we are completed here our chapter number 2. I hope you all are understood properly in chapter number 2. If you have any question, so ask me in next videos. Ask me question in next videos. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan.